Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs. It's a place where we transform houses into homes of beauty and tranquility. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever felt torn between the cozy simplicity of Scandinavian design and the timeless, mindful elegance of Japanese aesthetics? Well, what if I told you that you don't have to choose? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular and enduring design trends, Japandi Home Decor. This fusion style has taken the design world by storm, offering an oasis of calm that is both functional and profoundly beautiful. Get ready to learn the meaning, the benefits, the exterior tricks, and the very best ideas to bring this serene style into your own space. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next design deep dive. Japandi is not just a portmanteau. It is a thoughtful, harmonious blend of two distinct but complementary philosophies: Japanese design, or specifically, Wabi-Sabi, and Scandinavian design, or known as Hygge. From the Japanese side, we embrace Wabi-Sabi, which is the appreciation of the beauty in imperfection, simplicity, and natural authenticity. This translates into clean, minimalist lines, a focus on craftsmanship, and the use of natural raw materials. From the Scandinavian side, we take Hygge, which is all about creating a sense of coziness, comfort, and well-being through functional design. The marriage of these two styles results in a decor that prioritizes simplicity, functionality, and the warmth of natural materials. It rejects clutter and overly ornate details in favor of serene, well-curated spaces that promote peace and mindfulness. Think of it as functionality meets philosophy, where every item has a purpose and contributes to a feeling of calm. The color palette is intentionally muted, serving as a clean backdrop for texture, natural light, and the quality of the materials themselves to truly shine. The benefits of embracing the Japandi style extend far beyond aesthetics. They influence your lifestyle and mental well-being. Firstly, its inherent minimalism and emphasis on organization drastically reduce clutter, which is scientifically proven to lower stress and anxiety. By creating a visual calm, you create a mental calm, turning your home into a true sanctuary. Secondly, Japandi decor is timeless and sustainable. It favors high-quality, long-lasting natural materials like wood, bamboo, and stone over cheap, disposable trends. This investment in quality means less consumption and an aesthetic that will look sophisticated for decades, unlike fleeting styles that quickly date themselves. Finally, it enhances mindfulness. The design forces you to be intentional about what you bring into your home. Every piece must be functional, beautiful, or both. This deliberate approach fosters an appreciation for the simple beauty of everyday life, encouraging you to slow down and savor the moments spent in your perfectly composed space. Extending the Japandi philosophy to your home's exterior creates a seamless transition from the tranquil interior to the outside world. The key elements here are simplicity, natural integration, and clean geometry. Opt for natural wood siding, such as charred cedar or reclaimed timber, letting the raw texture of the wood be the main feature. A popular choice is using vertical cladding in dark, muted tones, or like charcoal gray or deep indigo alongside lighter wood accents to emphasize the contrast. A classic Japandi interior technique brought outside. Landscaping should be minimalist and intentional, often drawing inspiration from Zen gardens with neatly raked gravel, moss, and carefully placed stones. Avoid overly complex flower beds. Instead, focus on simple, resilient greenery like bamboo, ferns, or manicured evergreens. Crucially, integrate your indoor and outdoor spaces with large, clean-lined windows and sliding glass doors. A simple deck or patio featuring low-slung, weather-resistant furniture in a muted color palette will serve as a perfect outdoor living area, blurring the lines between nature and structure and maintaining that essential feeling of calm and cohesion. To truly master the Japandi look, you must focus on the deliberate selection of furniture, the power of a muted palette, and the essential role of lighting and texture. One of the most defining characteristics of the style is the furniture silhouette. Pieces should be low profile and streamlined. Think of low-slung sofas, platform beds, and minimalist side tables. This echoes the Japanese tradition of being closer to the ground and promotes a sense of spaciousness. Materials are paramount. You need a blend of light woods, often seen in Scandinavian design, or like ash or light oak, contrasted with darker woods, which are more common in traditional Japanese interiors, or like walnut or mahogany. The contrast between the light and dark wood tones adds visual interest and depth without introducing busy patterns or colors, perfectly embodying the fusion aesthetic. Next, focus intensely on your color palette. A successful Japandi interior relies on a sophisticated mix of neutrals. Start with a base of warm, creamy whites, light grays, or subtle beiges for the walls. Then introduce earthy accent tones like soft sage green, terracotta, or muted blue-grays through textiles, pottery, and art. The colors should be calming and organic, never jarring or overly saturated. The only pop of color should come naturally from greenery, with thoughtfully placed indoor plants that bring life and organic texture into the room, without creating clutter. Finally, texture and natural light are your best friends. Since you are limiting color and pattern, texture is what gives the room soul. Incorporate hand-woven textiles like linen, wool, and cotton throws and pillows. Look for artisan-made ceramics and pottery, embracing the slight imperfections that define Wabi-Sabi. Lighting should be soft, warm, and intentional, avoiding harsh overhead fixtures. Look for paper lanterns, minimalist floor lamps, or architectural lighting that highlights the quality of the materials. Every element, from the rough grain of a wooden beam to the smooth finish of a ceramic mug's chosen to engage the senses and enhance the feeling of sophisticated simplicity. Japandi decor is more than just a trend. It's a mindful approach to living that transforms your home into a place of rest, reflection, and quiet beauty. By committing to simplicity, celebrating natural materials, and embracing the beauty of imperfection, you create a space that is not only visually stunning but also deeply grounding. It is the perfect marriage of Nordic comfort and Eastern minimalism, offering a sophisticated calm that stands the test of time. We hope this script has inspired you to clear the clutter, choose quality over quantity, and bring the serenity of Japandi design into your own life. We want to know what your favorite Japandi element is. Are you loving the low-profile furniture or the perfect neutral palette? Let us know in the comments below. You found this video helpful? Please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who loves minimalist design, and be sure to subscribe to Interior Decor Designs. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming guides on mastering peaceful and beautiful home design. See you in the next video.